Hello, children. I hope you all are healthy and safe. Children, today we are going to discuss the next chapter in bio, that is chapter number 6, tissue. And we are going to discuss about animal tissue in this video. Children, animal tissue are of different types, and broadly they are categorized into four types. The first one is epithelial tissue, second is connective tissue, third is muscular tissue, and the fourth one is nervous tissue. Now, epithelial tissues, connective, muscular, and nervous. Out of these, the first three, that is epithelial, connective, muscular, are of different types. And one by one, we are going to see all these things. For example, epithelial tissues, maybe squamous, stratified squamous, cuboidal, columnar, ciliated columnar, and glandular. Connective tissue can again be divided as the tendon, ligament, adipose, areolar tissue, then cartilage, bone, then the fluid connective tissue such as blood and lymph. Muscular tissue are of three types: striated, unstriated, cardiac. So children, one by one we will discuss it in detail. So let's start with epithelial tissue. Children, epithelial tissue is the covering or the protective tissue in the animal body, and the cells in this tissue are tightly packed and form a continuous sheet-like structure, isn't it? And they have almost no intercellular spaces among them. And regardless of the type, means whichever type of epithelial tissue is it, all epithelial tissue is usually separated from the underlying tissue by an extracellular fibrous basement membrane. This is the basic characteristic of epithelial tissue. They all are having extracellular fibrous basement membrane. Very important, children. Now we will see the various types of epithelial tissue present in our body. So first type is simple squamous epithelial tissue. Children, epithelial tissue can also be called as epithelium. So here we have written simple squamous epithelium, and you can see the structure of simple squamous epithelium tissue. It is composed of flat, irregular shaped thin cells with prominent nuclei closely packed. Can you see here? No intercellular space among them, and they all are arranged like a sheet, thin sheet, isn't it? And you can see here, this is the basement membrane, with the help of which it remains separated from the underlying tissues. And such type of tissues are present in the lining of the mouth and the nasal cavity, then the blood vessels and lymph vessels, etc. Now, children, what are the functions of these epithelium tissue? They protects the underlying part from mechanical injury, from germs, harmful chemicals, and protect the underlying parts from being dried up. So protection is the major role of this type of epithelium tissue. Children, in the next video, we will read about other types of epithelial tissue. So till then, do take good care of yourself. Goodbye.